Hey, today I will show you how to make virtual environment on Windows. Here I have code that will display the version of the imported pandas library, that I don't have it installed yet. These are my libraries installed globally. Make sure you have Python installed. Then type python -m venv and name. I call it just my-env. Now you can activate a virtual env using an activation file in virtual env folder. Follow me. Now you are in a virtual environment and you can install what you want. Right now you need to point vscode to your environment interpreter. Follow me. Now everything should work. As you can see, after installation, I have only base libraries and pandas. When you are done, you can deactivate the environment. And that's it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe.